I just want to start off by saying I love my Milwaukee tools. I really do. But I just have one small complaint that I would like to express through the majesty of song. This is a good time to do that, I think. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. You're kidding me. Oh. If you or someone you know is dealing with this issue, just know you're not alone. We've all been there, and it's okay to talk about it. Just pick up the phone and call 800-TAPPED-OUT. That's 800-TAPPED-OUT, or comment down below if this felt real to you. In Milwaukee, I still like you, but every healthy relationship's gotta have one thing, and that's a good connection, pun intended.
Please, sir, I want some more.